So I think there's two things to know about methane. The first one is it's the second most powerful greenhouse gas behind CO2. The second part about it is we know that maybe a third of the methane being released to the atmosphere is from anthropogenic sources. Oil and gas production obviously is a major source of anthropogenic emissions, but it's also probably the most amenable to control, right? So if you know where the leaks are coming from, or if you know where the venting is coming from, you have the possibility of controlling those. So this is the Methane Emissions Technology Evaluation Center at Colorado State University. This center was set up to emulate field conditions for testing leak detection solutions. So the equipment you see around me is real equipment, and it's positioned in realistic locations. That allows people who are developing leak detection solutions to test in a realistic environment while still having all the controls about what's being released and where. If you look at oil and gas consumption, it's around for a long time to come. It's not like it's going to disappear overnight, but it is a contributor to climate change. So it's important that oil and gas production is done in a way that reduces the emissions the maximum amount.